All right. Well, let's move to our brother. You're welcome, sir. Oluchiwa God.
Yeah, okay. Kai, good evening from my side.
Good evening, sir.
Yeah,
Happy weekend.
the same to you, my brother. Ray Bafan TV, well done.
Good evening, sir, from here.
Oh, yeah,
Thank you so
Ocean
much.
Master, my brother Greg.
They were my brother.
Yeah, I know where we they meet, and this thing where you talk last, we know. So, but I'll be very, very brief because based on I was watching this brother Ray TV in the morning. He was having a very, very big argument with one IPOB member. You see,
Who? Who, please?
our Ray Brother TV, that somebody was educating this morning. You know, the guy is trying to educate the guy. It was a heated argument, both him and the guy, and IPOB somebody who, out of hate, and he was just, he knows what I'm talking about.
Yeah, let me tell you one thing. Finally,
Eh,
the guy is watching us right now here, and he finally agreed that
yeah.
all I said was true. That from today, that he has become a member of the United States of Biafra. No doubt. That was his
Are you
last message.
joking?
I'm telling you the truth. If I play his voice notes right here, you will marvel. So he's
Don't
one of
play
us. He
it.
said that all I said,
Yes.
and after he went down to listen to that program back,
Okay.
and he said that he found out of things that he never knew. And my explanation was proven that I am direct into the movement of ESN back then.
You have to bring him to us, so we can. You have to bring him to us so we can hear from him as well. Because this is the reason I don't receive them on my program. Just the only one person from DOS.
No. I like to receive them.
Okay.
I like to receive them too.
To agree or to agree. That is me.
Okay.
I like to receive them. I hope they will join because these people are they are manipulating them and they should know that.
Yeah. Okay, my brother. Again,
you promised me anytime I'm not live that now I'm gonna forward my program. Yeah, gonna get 24 hours.
Okay. Thank you so much, our brother. Now let me tell you. You see, this IPOB, this name, have become a menace all over the world, including Europe. Because I remember some of our brother. This our brother. He sought asylum, and I was helping him eventually. Against my instruction, he went and he called Nigeria to make ID card for him. They made this IPOB ID card, and those handling his case, they called them IPO, International Protection Organization. These are the people in charge to give you paper, or they say you will go home. Without my consent, he came to my house here. I helped him do other things, apply for ID card. He went, when he brought that IPOB ID card, it was the same IPOB IPO, International Protection Organization, who told him that IPOB does not give ID card. He was shocked. He was shocked. When he get back to me, I said, my boy, but I told you, but you people, when you need help, we try to help you. But when you go there, you do something else. If people are not ready for you to support Biafra, United States of Biafra, that is to anybody detriment. So now, having said that, my brother, I have said this time before in Kai's play. That's one of our sisters. So he's from Obosi. He's from Obosi. He sought asylum. Why I'm bringing this point, you see this name IPOB, those that make up this IPOB in Europe, they are very, 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 very wicked. Among what is in them, among what they put in them, there is no they don't have conscience, they will be listening here, but there are the kind of wickedness. Let me tell you, my brother, Mazere, Ray Biafran TV, that statistics you talked about number 10 in the world for dangerous. Let me tell you how did that happen? This IPOB, they report their own brothers and sisters. And in Europe, if I come here and say, Kai is IPOB, for example, I'm IPOB, anytime I go to make any report against Kai in any police station for something to happen to Kai, it is documented. It is not because it's not like in Africa when there is no document. It is documented that a member of IPOB come to indict a member of IPOB. All those things are record. Yeah. But because they don't know. That's why if you say you don't support them, they want to kill you. They want to do even some. They go as far go reporting you to the municipal, to the even police. So that is those things. When you report, you put up their name. It's record. Now, like you rightly said, IPOB, in every nation, they have indigenous people. In Ireland, there are people, when they speak English here, my brother, you can't, that are the real indigenous. The same way it is, IPOB means indigenous. I don't even know if they don't know what IPOB means. Indigenous people of Biafra. I am an indigenous person. All of us are indigenous people of Biafra.
Exactly.
The same thing Dr. Rabweze said a few days ago. They might be shouting. He said she is IPOB. That they should look at him. Does she look like a terrorist? Because this is our identity. This is who you are. But when you taking ownership of it, then all of us, it just all of us. Now, having said that, this sister has packed her load. I'm going to give 3 statistics. After she called on us, we decided to help her. They gave her 10-page or 11-page letters. He gave the letter to the government. Mazi, his deportation was revoked. As I'm talking to you now, they have given her back her work permit.
Wow.
Nobody can convince me that. Now, leave that one now. Those people you see in Austria who talked with Gunther, they are head of missions in Austria. The deputy of that man, Iwujoha, the man who drove through train track, I think he said it's in the night. Police chased him, go and catch him. And according to him, when they catch him, he know he will pay. They pay cash. They say want to go and bring money. The police, if you are here, might run away. They say, okay, give us your ID card. This about that gave them Biafran ID card. Before he came back, like according to him in Austria, they don't put. They must have put it in many lights to show everything. When he brought the money and came back to them, my brother, they gave him back ID card. So they told him this is authentic. Why I'm saying all this thing for those people to say looking for recognition. Now the last one, that's one of our brothers who in Spain, in Barcelona. He took Biafran ID card. He wanted to use it to go and do argument with somebody. So when police put them up, and those who put them up like this hit squad, like marksmen, they asked him to bring ID card. In fact, he did this. He didn't know ID card he gave was Biafran ID card. But when he realized he have given it to them already, so at the end of the day, we said they carried this thing, they put it in the light. Since I'm talking, they're still checking this ID card. Do you believe that after checking it, they call him and say, Ojuku Biafra? They gave him SD card, said it's authentic. My brothers, that's why sometimes I don't come out here to talk anyhow, because I know what. Sometimes they say Dr. Rabweze she doesn't listen to people. I have been in several meetings with her. Even when you want to shut people out, she will say no. You must. Let me tell you what their problem is. Is what they used to indict to Hamadike and Mazi Simon. Show us what you are doing. What are you doing?
Show us what.
Yes.
Because
So,
this IPOB guy, his problem is that it's not woto.
yes.
And then goes to the president, he knows your head, he knows your profile, and goes to the recruit to us now, kill getting up one, the money.
Caterpillar,
So maybe in Africa, you know what I mean, which is more deadly than anybody, because it will just that you are not declared, you are nobody, you have not declared yourself, and you are not seeing yourself as a nation. You understand? You are not. So what makes you a nation? You shouldn't. You cannot. Nobody will recognize you. Nobody will take you serious. But as it is now, it's a different ballgame. That's why USB government was able to sue, Finland. Yes. You understand? Exactly. That's why they were able to sue. Also, they always say, "What are you doing? What are you doing?" If please, this one is you can go and check Channel TV 5 months ago or Arise. I believe all of us watched it. Many people have seen that Nigerian ministry made that claiming that very soon they will go to repatriate him. Nigerians are working on how to repatriate him. Are you hearing that in any again?
You don't follow now. Don't follow.
Okay, matter now.
And then we want in the other camera.
Before you continue, I want to hear from Maze.
Yeah, please, let's give him the.
Let's hear from you. Welcome.
Go on.
Thank you, my brother Khan. Thank you, my real dear friend Taylor. Thank you so much, each and every one of you and your audience. I just want to, recognize your efforts you guys have been putting in there day in, day out. And I pray that Chukwuka Kabiama will keep on strengthening you, give you strength beyond strength to carry on. You say, my brother, Real Biafran TV, took a word from my mouth, man. He just snatched the word out that I wanted. That's why I'm coming in. I have come into his studio a couple of times. This is exactly why I'm going. If you guys are on TikTok, you can come on TikTok. You see me. I use my real name anywhere I go. Nothing stops me. That's what I'm streaming on TikTok. I'm coming. I'm having audience with discussing about our cause.
So I thought TikTok, have some the kind of restriction when you are talking about Biafra on TikTok.
Why not? Why TikTok will now? Why they will not allow you? Why they allow if they don't allow anybody? I've been talking about TikTok Biafra. Yeah, okay. I have it there. It's there. I'm talking about it. I'm having audience. We're talking. I'm inviting international community. I'm inviting all the influencers. I have mentioned this time without numbers. That all we need is awareness.
Yeah.
This is
political pressure. Political pressure.
Exactly. Look at what the real thing that you brought out. The two different groups fighting for freedom is not a crime in anywhere.
That's all.
But it depends on how you fight it. It's only number 6. You have to use the key. You have to use brain. Look at what happened on someone who they were arrested that did not declare. And somebody who they arrested and his people tried as much as possible and redeclared. What happened? Their case was different. This one that was not redeclared was termed as a criminal. Remember that you are dealing with oppressor. Oppressor is eating something from you. Even if it is you that claiming to be holy, you would. How many people have fallen back since after Ojugu? Check how many people that have fallen. This is about 50-something years. Many people have rise. We are not the first people. Group have fallen by fall. They have come. Oh, we are going to do it. When they get settlement, what happened? They come down. They go back home. Even just look at even IPOB, the one that they can't afford. Why did they not the kind of fall? It's because there are people, his group were settled. When they see that money, it's only few that can stand. It's not many people that can stand. But what happened? That is why this lady, I will follow her to anywhere, no matter what people said about her.
If,
I was
if people are not saying anything about her, that simply means she's not getting it right. You understand?
yes, because
It's not
yes,
because you have to be doing something that people don't want. People
yes.
feel not genuine people. I'm talking about people who don't want your existence. For them
Why
to
they don't
start
want?
complaining simply means you are doing something right.
Why are they complaining? It's either they have been given something or they want to be given something. Look at the
Exactly.
Kengurago. If somebody tell you, let me say about, let me just say about 10 years ago.
It's
If
not even
somebody
to,
tell you that,
you are going too far. It should be
No, just
six,
take it
7 years.
I'm talking from before Adnan was
2018,
adopted.
2019, 2021. Take it from there.
Before, I'm talking before Nnamdi was arrested for the first time.
Was
If
kidnapped. Was
someone
kidnapped.
tell you that he can will ever come back and talk bad about Nnamdi Kanu, you go agree? If they
No.
tell you say he can go break someone's neck because of Nnamdi Kanu, he will do it. But now something don't enter in him. What is happening? It's openly he's coming out to tell Nnamdi Kanu is a criminal, is this, is that. Why would they release him?
If
Why?
he said that Masakan is a criminal and keep quiet, that one is I'm okay with it. That's not, but he's coming for his head. See, you don't know.
Yes, yes. He said no, he said they should not release him. Why? Because something don't enter in him. Many of them.
But let me
Okay.
say something. Let me say something before you continue. Somebody said that they are actually not paying like YouTube before. They're actually not paying them. That the content they give to them is okay. Then you are coming back. Okay, you have to use your platform to cascade it. You understand what I'm talking about? I don't want to call them, but you know what I'm talking about. You are, so like that. If you want to, maybe they want to go back. You know, they want to get themselves involved in Nigerian politics and all that. They want to be so-called reintegrated. You understand? They will tell them, okay, we are not going to punish you. What you do now, use your platform and broadcast again. Just reverse that you were using that you did before. Look at YouTube.
My brother,
If not, then YouTube before don't have any reason to attack Mass Namorican. No reason.
my brother, that's not true. They don't give them money. They
No,
paid
I'm
them.
not telling you. This is school
Yeah.
they gave. You
That's
understand?
that's the person who steal will tell you says they steal. They will tell you the story, how managed, why they no see, but something may happen there, but they were not sure. It may not. That's what they will tell you because they will never come clean. If not now that you see that the IPOB are the one who plan on how to get Nnamdi Kanu arrested because of the money they have collected. Before they were arguing, they were doubting it that is not true. But my brother, let me go forward on why I came in, my brother. I thank you guys for all you are doing. All I am urging our people is there are ways we can do things. And Igbo people says that they are a traveler has more experience than the someone at home that has gray hair. That doesn't mean that the traveler has seen something from home more than no. But one, I always use this word whenever I illustrate this. The church I was born and grew up with. One day the elder was ministering in the church. He says, today, as day has bread, it has bread everywhere in the world. You know, for his own little sense, he believed he was telling the truth, not knowing that he's misleading his audience in the church. He's lying. He's a spiritual leader. But for you, you would think he's lying, and you know he's lying. But for his own knowledge, he would think he's telling the truth. But that's lie. Like where I am, there is where we call Alaska. Some state, in the same state, Some people will stay 6 months, they never see daylight. The other side, they will see 6 months, they never see night. It's still the same state. You are telling me, say, as day don't break here, I don't break everywhere in the world. No. Okay, like when we went to Finland, they only have a little time, daylight. The other ones are night. You will sleep tired, wake up, it's still night. I'm just telling you for the ones I've ever seen, life is not the same anywhere you go, but you can't say that. Exactly. So, my brother, the thing is, their own little mind, they think they're telling the truth, not knowing that they're lying to their people. I am asking our people, please, there's a lot of ways, and they are the shortest way we can do. I'm using a DPM. I've not met her one-on-one, but I salute her courage. I salute her brain, what she carries.
Exactly.
She has seen something, and she is applying those wisdom and knowledge she acquired from school and from mingling with all sorts of people in the world. The intellectual
APM acquired also knowledge as well.
No, he acquired mechanic knowledge.
My brother, I deal with your APM here. I've met him one-on-one. I have had him speak. He spoke to me. So we interact, so I can tell you where his head is. I was one of the people who criticized him before. He even submitted the receipt of things I bought from Walmart, where we use in Baltimore's office. I bought it with my money, but he submitted it as his expenses he made. That's a criminal lady. You don't do those kind of things.
You kept quiet.
What will I told them, I said this. I was the one who did the file because Maryland, as I went to their Secretary of State, I saw how many registration he made with our name.
Chicago was busy a few days ago bragging that we can donate office for them for free.
They don't know what that was. Let me explain to you how it works. If people want, I can tell you people, I want you to calm down, before people say something, let them understand how these people do these things. I served in them a couple of years, many years, more than a decade. So if you tell me that all the military training that I went was nothing, that person is a liar. Please, acquire some knowledge. I can tell you when someone is being criminal minded or when they're naive. I know. So you can't tell me that before you make that move, I will tell you where you go. So what he do is, if he brings money, tell you people, okay, I will bring money. He will give you. He will show you guys money to solve the problem. Then he will tell you that he will collect the money. But remember that the money comes in hand. He's not giving account of what is coming in. So how will you know when he gets his money and when he don't get his money? It's just like when we plan to go for Finland, and he told you people we don't have money, and we budgeted for what this thing would eat, and everybody who went to Finland contributed money, and he told you we don't have money. What of the money that people pay?
That thank God that our brother, our uncle is here with us. Mr. Henry is here, and he's the one that educated. Like he made this explanation to us that I'm talking about. Each time you hear me talking about Azubike and Ogenke, he's the one that just he explained it in a very, very good term for me to understand, because as an outsider, we don't know what it means. I was thinking that people are questioning Ogenke to come and give details about money they have contributed in the account and all that, without knowing that it's because of what you said just now. The money in that account,
was more, yeah.
And they asked him, "Come and give us. We need money to do one or two things in Finland." Right. He was dodging.
Yeah, he said there was no money.
He said there was no money in the account until another person now screenshot it and publicity. He refused to come. And they asked, okay, you said there's someone that can look at the money in the account. Come and tell us
Right.
how the account. Accountability, I can do that they are yapping and talking nonsense. Just tell us that, just only that one. No. They say, how, Ngozi, you did not ask to give you account before when people said,
Right.
but they refused. So that guy, to be honest with you, that guy can lie, yo.
No, those are the people he used. Those are Yahoo guys that he used. That's why you see the guy. If he comes, all he does is to go to your account and hack you. He will hack you. I spoke to them one-on-one. I called him because by then I was, talking to them. I was being like a mediator. Even when we went to Finland, the level DPM that she doesn't listen to person. Let me explain to you one thing. I always use this as a reference. They say, "Oh yeah, he doesn't listen to person," because when he after the declaration, he says that the plan is every seat have been dissolved. When she said that, when we went for the break, I said, okay, when you say this now, that means our government has no cabinet. That means that is not good. We debated within us. I said, no. What he got to do is to say that those seats, the people are going to be there temporarily until they fill the seats. But they have been dissolved, but they holding the office temporarily until they fill the seat. So we all agree with that. All of them say, no, she's so upon she will not listen. This and I said, don't worry, let me go and try. I spoke to a couple of them. I spoke to Diane. I spoke to many of them. They say we should go talk to Jen. I went personally and talked to Jen. Jen said, okay, we will go talk to her. We went and spoke to her. After talking to this lady, she did not argue. Everybody go and rewatch this if I'm lying. She did not argue. She went back again after we came back from break. He went to the podium, said that those people are going to hold the office temporarily. If it is someone who pompous, who does not listen to the person, why wouldn't her say, no, that's finance? She never do that. She listened. She went back and now announced this. That's why I called them. I said, why are you guys saying that she's so pompous? I'm not in cabinet. I've not worked with her before. But what I'm seeing doesn't match what you people are saying. There was one guy I could mention that is in Texas. That's what's her name? I forget what they call him. Snow. That's his guy name. IPOB, his name. Those are one of my friends. Me and them, we were rapping one. Well, but we quarreled that day because of this lady. I said, why are you guys tarnishing her image for no reason?
The IPOB you're talking about, is it the current US of the Canadian Muslim Republic?
I don't even know because I don't go to their platform. I don't know who is who.
This one, that's him. That's IPOB. The CEO.